everyone, we are back on our day 6 of this 30-day streak challenge, and today we'll be solving our problem of the day. Let's visit that page. So remove duplicates, it's an easy one. Already we have seen this problem in Microsoft. Hey there coding enthusiasts, I'm Ampire and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new daily quiz playlist on Python, Java and C++. Whether you are a beginner looking to hone your skills or a seasoned developer wanting to keep your knowledge sharp, these playlists are perfect for you. Just go to my channel, click on playlist section, and here you will find the treasure of tech knowledge sources. Each day I will be uploading new quiz questions to challenge you and help you master key concepts in Python, Java and C++. As you can see, the 3 playlists are available here from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and so on. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a question. Let's learn and grow together. Happy coding everyone. Okay, so given a string str without spaces, the task is to remove all duplicate characters from it, keeping only the first occurrence. Okay, we need to keep the only first occurrence of the character, and okay, the original order of characters must be kept the same. So in Java it can be solved using hash set, but what we'll do, we'll not use any collections. We are actually having array, right? We'll just make an array of size 26 which will be holding all the frequencies of the characters. So basically we are going to use our array instead of hash set. Okay, so let's begin our solution. So for this, as I'm going to edit the string again and again, so because of that reason I'm going to use string builder, because this is a string, because string builder is a string which is mutable, and as we know string is immutable in Java. So because of that reason I'm going to use string builder. In the end we'll just return the string. So new string builder, and now we are going to just make an array of size 26 for 26 alphabets, and whenever there is a and here we are just going to maintain a frequency like whether the character is already repeated or not. So as you will see the code ahead, now a size 26 done. Now I'm going to like visit each and every character in the string. So I is equals to 0, I less than str dot length, and I plus plus. Now let's check if arr of str dot char at caret I minus a, it means if this character is equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, it means it is not visited earlier. This character is not visited earlier. This particular character is not visited earlier. So at that moment we are going to like simply first of all mark it as visited, str dot char at I, by making it as equals to 1. It will resemble that it is already visited, right? So after making it 1, simply we'll make a change. Let's just add that character to our string builder. Sp dot append. Append is a method using which you can add the string as well as character, right? So string dot char at I. So whatever the caret I mean whatever the character is there, at particular index, whatever the character is there, just we are checking whether it is already present in our frequency array or not. If it is already present, if it is already visited, then no need to go. If it is not visited, then we'll just visit it. We will mark it as visited, and we are going to add it in our string builder, right? We are going to add it in the end of our string builder, right? Now in the end, just simply toString, using toString method will convert this string builder to the string form and will return that stuff. Let's compile and run, and we can see it's compiling. Okay, we got an error, index 22 out of. Okay, why index out of? Okay, so here actually we are not subtracting it with A. So that's the reason here. As you can see, we are using the ASCII technique, right? ASCII value of A is 97. For lowercase letters it is 97. For capital letters, that is uppercase A, it will be 65. So here whatever the character will be there, it will be subtracted from that 97, and then that index will be accessed and you are going to mark that stuff there. So here we are using that technique. Okay, let's compile it again, and we can see that it is running fine. Let's submit the code. Oh yes, so we are able to solve this problem, and very congratulations to everyone who has, already solved on their own. If not, no problem at all. It's just a day 6. By the end of this day 30, you will be able to solve at least few problems on your own. So code regularly, code it every day, solve the problem of the day every day, and visit our channel and use the useful resources. Thank you. Bye bye.